Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Debbie Thornberry from the wild thornberries. So I'm just going to remove everything, and I don't think I didn't use any VIP items for this one. Let's remove everything except for the hair. Grab this hair and color it this color, DAA36B. Position the Y and Z to 0.56 and scale it to 0.57. Grab this hair in the same color and rotate it to Y to 0.53. Whoa. And then for the outfit, grab this top here and color it this orange color, CD5A16. Grab this coat in the second toggle and color it all this pattern, and then if you can't color the ones here, just color it this black. This like grayish black here. Grab the leather jacket and color it the same as the rest of the pattern like this. Then you are going to grab these boots. I think I'm going to make it a little bit more brown actually than the gray I had just now. Maybe like this colorish, like this. And then the same one in like a darker color. And then we are going to grab these cargo pants in Y2K low rise in this color, 3C4B62. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.